Superblack provides the user's weapons and armor with a jet black look without any extra colors. The Into the Light update for Destiny 2 has brought back Superblack, a fan favorite shader from the first Destiny. This shader provides the user's weapons and armor with a jet black look without any extra colors. Emissive materials shine white while everything else is black, making this the ideal shader for employing numerous armor parts with mismatched color channels. However, like with other shaders, the user must first acquire Superblack to utilize it, which is more difficult than one might assume. Gadinsider will show you how to achieve the Superblack shader in Destiny 2 Into the Light. How to unlock the Superblack shader. The Superblack shader is housed in a containment field within the Hall of Champions. To open it, the user will require a Superblack containment key from Lord Shax in our site 9940. Their keys are obtained after completing 2 distinct tasks. Superblack Key Alpha Shax obtain rank 17 with Lord Shax in the Onslaught playlist. Superblack Key Omega Arcite complete all Brave Weapon quests. Superblack Key Alpha. Lord Shax's key can only be obtained by accumulating 10,000 hype, the reputation system linked to Onslaught. Moreover, completing Onslaught waves, bonus objectives, Shax's Onslaught bounty, Arcite's weekly bounty, and Brave Weapon tasks will boost the user's hype. In our Onslaught hype guide, we discuss the specific reputation values. Completing Brave Weapon tasks and bounties is the fastest method to boost a user's hype with Shax. Bounties are the user's primary source of hype reputation, and completing all of Arcite's weekly bounties will result in the highest hype advancement. Superblack Key Omega. Arcite's key needs the user to finish all 12 Brave Arsenal tasks. Because none of these tasks are timed, the user can do all 12 in a single play session if the user is quick. All needed quests are mentioned below. Blast Furnace, Blast from the Past, Edge Transit, Edgelord, Elsie's Rifle, Stranger Danger, Falling Guillotine, Spin to Win, Forbearance, Patience and Forbearance, Hammerhead, Bring Down the Hammer, Hung Jury SR4, Jury Duty, Luna's Howl, Howl at the Moon, Midnight Coup, Midnight Ride, The Mountaintop, Climbing the Mountaintop, The Recluse, Recluse Endangerment, Succession, Rite of Succession. The exact quest instructions may be found in our Into the Light weapon guide. Once the user has finished all 12 tasks, be sure to return to our site to get your key fragment. Unlocking Superblack. Once the user has both keys, proceed to the Hall of Champions confinement room. To go into the chamber, interact with the terminal close to the confinement field. Interact with the black mask floating in the room to unlock the Superblack shader on your account. Shaders may be applied to both weapons and armor.